Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the email indent for messages you send to your contacts or friends on Yahoo Mail via email. So let us get you through this. Head over to Yahoo Mail and log into your account and start a new email or message by clicking compose here in the top left. That is going to open up that new message window here. So enter the given email recipient's address here, then the CC if needed, or the BCC. Let me hide the CC and BCC here. The subject below and the text. So before you send the given email, guys, you may also adjust the given email indent. To do that, click on these three dots here at the bottom, more options. And here from that menu, simply select increase indent, just like that. And there you go. Now the indent has been moved. If I click again into these three dots and select increase indent even more, it will be moved even more to the right. And that's how you increase the indent, guys. So let me give you a live example. Just like that, press enter to the next line. So there's the indent now, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.